चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, viewers, let's move ahead to the big story we're tracking right now. Big story coming in from Karnataka. Karnataka fuel price hike stands as a fresh political flashpoint between the BJP and the Siddaramaiah government. The BJP has staged protests and demanded an immediate rollback of the decision. And now we see that the Union Minister Prahlad Joshi has condemned the sudden hike in petrol and diesel prices, warning it will increase the cost of public transport and essential commodities. Let's listen in to that reaction.
कर्नाटक सरकार ने बिना सोच, बिना प्लानिंग, आधा अधूरा गारंटी जो लागू किया है, उसके कारण देश में सबसे ज़्यादा पेट्रोल और पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट, पेट्रोल डीजल का दाम कर्नाटक में ज़्यादा हुआ है। इसका एक तरफ पूरा कैस्केडिंग इफेक्ट है। मैं तो कह सकता हूं कि अभी इसके बाद ये जो के पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का प्राइसेस भी बढ़ेगा, तो मैं इसका खंडन करता हूं। तुरंत इसको विथड्रॉ कर रोल आउट करना चाहिए, रोल बैक करना चाहिए, और ये नहीं करते तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी अंत तक इसमें हम लड़ेंगे।
And with that, let's shift focus to the other big story we are tracking. This one, the NEET scam protests, which have been quite rampant across the country. In the latest, it is a statement now that's coming in from Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who's admitted to irregularities in the NEET scam, also says that action will be taken against the guilty. So, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who's admitted to irregularities in the NTA's conduct of the NEET exam. This note comes after days of protest by students demanding justice and Republic leading that campaign, getting the voices of the students heard. It seems that the minister now has finally been compelled to admit that there were irregularities and that there is a need for action to be initiated against the National Testing Agency. He says that the guilty will not be spared and that the students must rest assured that the government is with the students.
कुछ छात्रों को कम समय मिलने के कारण उनके वहाँ थोड़ा रोष थी, उनको कुछ वैकल्पिक ग्रेस मार्क की व्यवस्था दिया गया था, जिसको भी इस बीच में सरकार ने नामंजूर करके सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश अनुसार 1563 बच्चों की पुनः परीक्षा की आदेश दे दिया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सुझाव पे। दूसरा, 2 जगह पे कुछ गड़बड़ियों की भी ध्यान आई है। मैं छात्रों को और अभिभावकों को आश्वस्त करता हूं, उसको भी सरकार बड़े गंभीरता के साथ लिया है, वो जानकारी हमको मिली है। हम वो सारा विषय को एक निर्णायक स्थिति तक ले जाएंगे। उसमें कोई भी बड़े अधिकारी हो, एनटीए की कितने भी बड़े दायित्वधारी हो, अगर वो उनमें गुनहगार पाए जाएंगे उनको भी छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा और एनटीए में बहुत सुधार की आवश्यकता है।
All right, let's go across to Gopi as well. Gopi, that's an admission coming in from the Union Minister who says that yes, there have been irregularities. But the question is that how is the government likely to go about in ensuring that there is transparent probe against the National Testing Agency in relation to the alleged irregularities?
Well, Samiksha, it's really tricky to deal with this entire controversy because we have been chasing the NTA officials as well since past 4 days now, and we haven't got any statement on or answers from them as such. When we reach the NTA office, they simply tell us that they are not authorized to speak a word on the ongoing NEET controversy, while the relentless efforts of parents and students have actually led to the Education Minister's speak up and confess this, that yes, there were anomalies in this year's NEET medical entrance exam. Supreme Court is also intervening to the maximum possible level, wherein it is hearing petitions which are being filed by various students and NEET aspirants which are based on various anomalies. So yes, they are trying to understand and kind of suggest to address their grievances, but yes, till now NTA as well as the government has failed in addressing it. Yes, there were a few judgments in the past few days where they had suggested that 1563 students have gotten a chance to reappear on June 23rd, while the grace marks which were given to them were also withdrawn as per the decision which was given by the Supreme Court. But we'll just have to wait and watch. There is again re-exam on June 23rd. Interestingly, there's also NEET PG. So we will have to see if these anomalies are going to continue and how is government going to tackle with this.